Okay, so let's get started. This is dollar. So we're wiping everything on dollar out. So let's look at, we are close to the end of the month. So let's look at where we're at. First, to go to line charts, to mark out important areas in line charts. This. So this is the monthly storyline for dollar indices. So definitely price broke through this area, rejecting this zone, then we are heading down to 101.848. So literally, we have that dollar is bearish. Okay, dollar is bearish. So we're looking towards selling of dollar. So look at this storyline for dollar. This is bearish. Then we also have this level broken, right? So this level, these broken levels, you can see how we have a rejection. So this indicates that we are what? We are still bearish on dollar. So we're looking towards selling dollar. We're looking towards selling dollar till we get to like 9.902 region or weekly time frame. So daily, so let's see what the Friday candle closes. So what is the storyline for daily and what are the obstacles? I'm looking at this level. We have resistance. We also have a resistance here that was created. So looking at this is a resistance. And where's the next support? I'll click this. This is the next support here. Right? So where are we currently? We are still at this level. So this is another one. I'm doing this as well. So this is another support here, right? So we are still bearish. Change the line charts. Look at the order of flow. We have rejection here. Then we are heading down. My own ideal support or my own ideal movement will still be dollar moving down to 102.002. Or we'll finish the storyline that is 99.902 region. So I'm changing the line charts. So draw out the obstacles that we have here. We have one here. We also have one here. Okay. I'll change to candlesticks. So if this current daily candle closes with this rejection, we are going to sell. I mean, we're going to buy, then we look at the retest at 100. So we've had a rejection here, another retest. So price is still falling. So let's go to 4 hours for USDX. Now for USDX, we have another area. I said price is here, and where is the storyline for USDX? Here is the beginning, so we take here and the end is here. So you have a new storyline here because price breaks this structure, retraces down to this level, tests this line, and we are here. Now, so what is needed? We need a pullback to test this. So if we have something like this, the price continues to the downside. The price continues to the downside. Okay. So price continues to the downside. So let's change to candlesticks. Now, looking at candlesticks, what are the obstacles and the things that we need to see? Look at this resistance here. There is a resistance here that we need a proper retest. Looking at that higher time frame bias on dollar is bearish, right? So we need a pullback to this level. see this is support because resistance area 2. So we are looking at this and also this level. But today is Monday, there might not be high momentum. So I'm looking at this. So let's look at line charts to look for proper confirmations. So I have an engulfing here. There's also an engulfing here. So I can rule this trend line down here. So which means that we have an engulfing, also this area. I can also do this too, this touch. So you have first touch, second touch. So you need price to tap into this area, to this level. So you have the proper sell. So also there is another one here. There's another one here. So I change the candlesticks and I zoom out. So you can see we have an engulfing here, right? This is also an engulfing, right? So we are looking for price to tap into this level before we sell. So this is my area of interest on dollar. My area of interest on dollar. Okay. So let's look at gold. So since we have this thing to be bearish, dollar to be bearish, right? So let's look at gold. We're gonna wipe off all this and gold. Then I start all over from monthly. So we can see the storyline on monthly that we are still bullish. So gold is extremely bullish on monthly. So we have a start here, right? So we have a start here. And you can see price break through above. A break, and then we have another here, right? So we have another higher low here. So what are we anticipating? We are anticipating a new high. So I change to candlesticks. You can see how price has rejected this level. Guys, gold is going up so bad. Gold is on a very, very long higher time frame trend. So we should expect more bullishness on gold. So because gold is on higher time frame bias, we also need to look at some levels. So look at this level on weekly time frame. You still need now. If I see a proper rejection of price around here, when I see a proper rejection of price around here, then I will look towards selling more of gold. So on weekly time frame, gold still need to break this 2012, 2016 region before we say, oh, okay, let's buy or let's sell. You can see the momentum from here. I gave a signal this morning on gold and it's very, very powerful. So let's look at here, what we have here as well. So for daily time frame buyers, here is another resistance. So here is another resistance, right? But if you look at this now, if I change this line chart, I'll show you something. You will see that gold is on a very, very long time bias. Look at it. So if you see, this is an head and shoulder pattern. So price tap into this, then boom to the upside. So we are currently very, very bullish on gold. But then price is currently at a resistance. But because price is at a resistance, what are we looking for? We are hoping to see a proper retracement. So you're hoping to see a proper retracement before we continue buying. So coming here, so you have the first touch, I think a second touch, then we look at price for confirmation. Okay, you can see price at this third touch. So this has happened. I'm looking for another one. Okay, okay. So we have an engulfing. So this one, yeah, exactly. and I change to candlesticks, right? Then I look forward to some areas that are very, very key. So I pick this level, this zone, right? Then I zoom out. So what are we anticipating here now? I'm anticipating a pullback at this level, also at this level. Because if you look at this level, this is another type of support resistance area. And since it becomes support against a gap here, right? So these are my anticipations, 1 hour time frame. So you can see on 1 hour time frame what price is trying to create. This is another level. So we have this. So before price can break, this has to be broken. So you have a liquidity here, double bottom liquidity, double bottom liquidity here, right? So we have double bottom liquidity. So we need price to tap into this down, comes down, then see if we can continue moving forward. So we do something like this. So those are my anticipations on gold. I'm literally looking forward to a sell to buy scenario. Okay. So let's just see and look at what price is holding. I didn't see any entrance here. If I see any entrance, I would have dropped the signal. So, and I also have one here, who can literally bounce back here as well. So what are we looking for? A break below here. That was why if you look at the P-prime group, I dropped this. I said a break below this trend line will lead us to this place where we can now see continuations of price. So let's look at what we happen to gold. Let's look at Euro USD. Okay, so this is my analysis on Euro USD. So storyline here has been completed. We are heading toward 1.2402. Okay, so we are heading toward 1.2402 area. So here are the obstacles that we're looking towards. We go to the daily time frame to look at some obstacles. Well, I'm not using a regular support and resistance. I'm using Malaysian support and resistance. So if you want to learn about it, you can DM me. Okay, you can DM me about Malaysian SNR. These are obstacles too. So for the 4 hours time frame. Oh, sorry, there is one on daily time frame that I need to remind. Okay. The truth is, all anti-dollar pairs are at a strong resistance, and all dollar pairs are at strong support. So expect anything to happen. Sincerely, all this trade you're doing is just a pullback, scalp, and all that. But expect anything to happen because price might just come and drop. You understand? Price might just come and drop, and probably down to this level because this is also another demand. There's a fair value gap here. I can drop and tap into this level and then type before we push to the upside. But the order of flow is still bullish, so we need to respect that. Okay, the order of flow is still bullish, we need to respect that. I think I saw something in my chart. Then some people will ask, why am I always changing to line charts? Yes, I always change to line charts because line charts gives me the exact support and resistance I'm looking for. So I'm citing a reversal on 4 hours, which is here. I'm citing a reversal, which is there on 4 hours. Okay. And if you understand a strategy called megaphone strategy, you should know that this is a reversal. For megaphone strategy, this is a reversal, right? So we could have two things. We could have price tap here, tap into this trend line, and boom. Are we all right? So price could tap into that trend line, move up, and boom to the downside. So this is, we call it the divergence. So this is a reversal pattern, right? We have an engulfing here, okay, engulfing here also. So looking for price to touch this at the port side, come to upside. So I'm bullish on Euro USD. I'm bullish on Euro USD. I'm bullish on Euro USD. 1 hour time frame is just for entry. So let me see if I can find an entry elsewhere. Can we look for an entry? So this 1, 2, this is an SRI. So I can take this. Look at this. This is a very strong confirmation that we are bullish. This is a very strong confirmation that we are bullish. 1, 2, 3, right? So if you are thinking of selling Euro USD, just zero your mind. Euro USD is bullish. All we just need to do is probably find a proper entry pattern to be here. So this is the support that needs to be broken. You can see price not break this support, right? So on 15 minutes time, do we have an entry? No. So I'm looking at this level. The price will not break this, then I'm buying. So let's go to this. Yeah. So we need price to break this level. We need price to break this level before we sell. But if price doesn't break this level, then we continue buying. Okay, so that is that. For my higher time frame bias, this is my higher time frame bias. So price touch this trend line, then you sell. Okay. So pricing needs to move up once again before any other thing comes. So you catch the last one for the day. Look at the last one for the day. So weekly time frame. How did we stick time frame close? It's any other questions? If you have any questions, just let us know. We have here. We also have here. So we are heading down here for you card. We are heading down to 1.34737. So all we are just seeing is just a retracement. So daily time frame. Where are the obstacles? So we have one here. We have this as our resistance. We also have this too. Okay, so we have this as a resistance as well. So what do we do? What's 1 hour time frame? Do we have a bit of structure? No, we have a pullback here. So where are we headed now? We are heading towards here. So you can buy your card after a retracement. Oh, sorry, don't buy your card yet. I see this. I see this. I see this. So we have a retest here. So what are we expecting? Two things. Where are we headed? Two things. We are heading towards here. So let me see. Line chart, because we are in a downtrend. I have an engulfing. So we will use this also here. Perfect. 1, 2. So two things. Looking towards here. Support resistance zone. On the 6th. So if we have a rejection here, we need to see price retest this level. Why? Now, if you look at this level, we look at third touch, first touch, second touch. Then let's see. So we can take from here down here. Okay. So we need this is our final destination here or here before we sell. But if price does not break through this, right? So if price does not break this support resistance, let's say we have a bearish candlesticks here. When I switched over to 15 minutes, I see that there is structure break, then I'm going to sell you part here. Because if you look at 15 minutes now, you will see that sellers are even trying. You understand, you have rejections and all that. But we don't have any structural break. This needs to be broken, this one, or this. Okay, so let's take this needs to be broken. So we need something like this. Tap, move to this. So this is the move I'm looking for UCAD. A sell to buy scenario. A sell to buy scenario. Okay, a sell to buy scenario is what I'm looking for UCAD. But if this place is broken, then it means we come here, then move down to this area. So we still need more confirmations to see what we have for UCAD. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here. Let's look for another pair. Please, can you give us pair? We are 7 here. We are 7. Ona, Johnny, Doka, Ruha. Okay, so let's give us pair, please. Can somebody give us pair you want us to look out for?
Please, you can mute if you have any pair you have in mind. I want Mr. Michael to analyze on.
I'm still on GPUSD. Anybody wants to give us pair?
Please send message directly. Send message to everyone. Somebody sent a message to me. Not send to me directly, send to everyone. Change it to everyone. Oh, somebody said XAUUSD. That's good.
Yeah, we've done good earlier now.
We've done good before you arrive, sir.
Well, I can have a review about it. So if this Monday now, this price closes with a rejection, then we can go to 1 hour to see if you are going to have a break of structure. Once you have a break of structure, then we start selling. Okay. Once you have a break of structure, then we start selling. So that is that on GBP USD. But I want to see my system is freezing, so I want to see what's happening there. Okay. So GBP/USD, we are at a strong resistance. We need this place to be broken. Now, if you trade ICT, you will know that this place is a breaker, right? So we need price, breaks, retrace, boom. So either this level. So this will be my TP1. If this place will break, I'll say here, this will be my TP1, then this will be my TP2, right? This will be my TP2. So we could have something like this, then before price continue moving on. So I won't look forward to buy anymore. I'm not going to look forward to sell. And we have a break here, a break of this structure. Then where are we selling? So I think here, yeah, let's see. Let's see. Okay, so I'll look forward here, another angle here. Sell. You can also use this one. So I'm looking forward to sell at 1.26200. Looking forward to sell at 1.26200. So let's look at this zone. If price reject this level, then we'll sell. Okay. So, but if price breaks out that level, we continue buying. Okay, so let's hold on for GBP/USD to decide where he wants to go. But the main thing is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing price at a very, very strong resistance. So GP buy here. Let's see if price reject this level, then we sell. Okay, the level is 1.26200. Let's look at it. Okay, so somebody requested gold again. We go back to gold and round it up for this afternoon. So gold is heading to probably 2040, but we need a pullback before we continue. I usually want to go to break this level and pull back around here or here before we buy, but as it is now, it's still doing one or two stubbornness, right? So it's still doing one or two stubbornness, but gold might still continue its bullishness then. So we look at 15 minutes. We have a high here. So there's a high in 15 minutes. Let me change this to line charts. And C, we have engulfing. Click here. Right? Yeah. This is the resistance I'm looking at. Okay, is this has higher time frame resistance? Let me see. Yeah, these are the higher time frame resistance. So I go to 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3. So everything is still pointing down to here. So let's see 2016. If 2016 is not broken, then we sell down. Yeah. So we might literally have this on go to. Right, stop, comes here to break. Then we continue what we are doing. You guys are coming late. I don't know. I have to round this up now. Okay, so let's see to 2016, 2017 area. If it is broken, then it's fine. If it is not, then we wait for a retracement. In fact, it will not be broken. Do you know why? Because we have a retest here. So we have a retest here. Gold retested this. Let me see why it retested it. Okay. Yep. So you can take a buy on gold, buy gold currently on 15 minutes, buy gold, and your first TP will be 2017. I need to hit 2017. So you can buy gold. So buy gold, 15 minutes. You can buy gold now. First TP 2017, second TP 2020. So something like this. Let's just take the short back. So buy gold currently. Buy gold at CNP.
So, Mr. Michael, you said people should buy gold. So, what should be the stop loss? Looking on this.
I'm backing it now. Coming. Good. But pay more cognizance to TP1 first. Okay. So buy gold, stop loss 2012. TP1, 2017, TP2. So I'm looking towards that. Okay. Thank you very much. Any question, please? Does anybody have any questions? If you have any questions, kindly unmute and ask your questions, please.
Yeah, good morning. Can you hear me?
What's the name?
Yeah, my name is Moshood.
Good morning, Mr. Moshood.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Sir, from your chat, I have a question based on your gold.
Okay.
Sorry, I joined late, but when looking at the chart, I was able to see some zones you mark out, your support resistance zone, or I don't know, maybe support resistance zone or your demand zone. I don't know the one to call it. So my question is that from the chart, please, can you show us the charts? I just want to pick out some things there. Okay, thank you very much. Now from this chart on 4 hours time frame, there's a string high at the top there, which you mark already. if you can go back to like maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame, there's a swing high at that top there. What is the real confirmation for us entering the buy at that position you said we should enter now? Yeah, I know it's coming to sweep this liquidity there. That's high, that liquidity high there. Exactly. That zone is coming to sweep there before selling. Is that not so?
Okay, so the first thing is there's a retest here. There is a resistance becomes support here,
Yes.
and price tested this.
Yes.
So
I'll explain.
first bet, that's why I said short by 2017, then 2020. Now, if you look at the higher time frame bias, you see that it is bullish.
Okay.
And
Yes.
price tested this resistance becomes support. If you look at it very well, I don't know if you can see it.
Yes. I
Yeah.
can see it. I've seen it. I've seen it.
So look at the momentum from daily here down here, and we still have much more highs to cover, as you can
Yes.
see here.
Yes, that's the eye I'm targeting to. That there's going to be a retracement for sale.
So I'm also expecting a retracement, but for the sake of people that are here, just take a short back to 2017. They will expect retracement. If you look at what I drew earlier, I was looking to buy here. I was looking to buy here. I was looking to, this is my ideal place to buy. This place.
Yes, that's the zone. Yes, that's the zone. Once it break out from that zone.
So that's why once it breaks out, retest down to this level. But
Yes.
currently, for the current momentum, we are heading high. Why? Because if you look at this 15 minutes time frame, price tested this level, right? And
Yes,
there's high
sure.
that with this momentum, this is an engulfing candle that sweep out liquidity.
Yes.
So this is an engulfing candle that sweep out liquidity. So 2017 is the first target that will kill. So take your buy.
Yes.
2020 is the second.
Okay. Okay.
Do you understand now?
Yeah. Very well. Very well.
Okay. Any other question? But it doesn't say that Michael to decide to go its own way. Fine, we understand that. But that is the ideal area that I am looking forward to look for. Do you understand it now? So that's just it. Okay, so another question, please. In case of no questions, thank you very much. Any question? Okay, no questions. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful trading session, everybody. Bye-bye.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Michael. Thank you, Mr. Mushu. I appreciate everyone. I want to say thank you, everyone. So thank you for joining today's analysis team. God bless you. We really appreciate your support and your time to be here. Okay, everyone, you can end the meeting now. Thank you.